Hi guys, this is Yang and I'm back with another airdrop tutorial. For this video, we will talk about Tari Universe. I will show you the step-by-step tutorial on how we can join the airdrop and what are the requirements needed for Tari Universe. But first, let's talk about Tari Network. What is Tari Network? Tari is the L1 protocol powered by you, proof of work, beautiful apps anyone can use. So meet Tari Universe, the magical, beautiful one-click miner for Tari. So that means Tari Universe is a mining platform pero hindi pa po nagsisimula yung um, mining niya. So what I like about Tari Network is that Tari Universe is that um, they have all the they have so many social media accounts. So that means na pag meron kayong tanong tungkol sa project na to, you can just ask questions sa TikTok nila, sa Twitter, YouTube, or kaya naman Telegram. So when we look at the Tari account nila sa Twitter, they have almost 300,000 followers. At sa Telegram naman, they have, yes, over 60,000 members. So that means na they have enough attention. They gain all the attention. I mean, sobrang dami nang nakakaalam sa Tari na to. Pero hindi pa po siya nagsisimula ha. Nasa airdrop pa lang po tayo. So, um, let's visit yung Tari website. Ito yung Tari website. Sabi dito, want to be the first to try it on testnet? You can join the waitlist now. At this is what we're going to do now. We will do the waitlist um, Kemerot, ito. So, sasali tayo sa waitlist. So, what is testnet? Yung testnet, guys, it allows users or participants na i-test or i-try yung features na meron sila para yung mga developers naman, alam nila kung ano yung mga potential issues or errors at kung paano nila i-fix yon. So, yung waitlist naman is that it's like we are waiting on the line. So once the testnet starts, nasa unahan na tayo. Nasa unahan na. At yung waitlist naman, yung timeline niya lang is 23 days. So within 23 days, pwede pa tayong mag-join sa waitlist. So after that, hindi na. At alam nyo guys, sa waitlist kasi mas marami siyang perks or kumbaga mas maganda kapag nasa waitlist na tayo para tayo yung mauna sa pila. Tayo agad yung makapag-try sa testnet nila. Yon. So, we only have to enter your name, enter our name, tapos yung active email. You should have to enter or use your active email address kasi pag nag-announce sila or like may mga important na update, magsisend din sila sa email mo. Yun, kailangan active yung email address. So, name daw. Yan. Email address. Pwede kayong gumamit ng kahit anong email pero dapat active. So kahit dami account, okay lang 'yon. So ayan, click mo lang after you enter your name and your email address, you should now proceed to ayan, click mo lang yung join waitlist. Mali pala 'to. Ayan. Join waitlist. Verify your email to get on the list. So, kailangan daw nating i-verify yung email para sure na yung spot natin sa pilahan. Email. Hmm, Tari, ayan. Kung hindi nyo siya guys makita sa update or sa inbox nyo, pwede nyo siyang tingnan sa spam. So, in my case, nandito siya sa spam. Tari. Verify email. And then, ayan, so nasa 102,485 pa ako. Pero kung marami kayong friends, pwede nyo i-invite yung friends nyo. Kasi sabi dito, one referral, one entry. So, you can also win prizes like, ayan, giant plushie turtle crypto or one of hundreds of other prizes. So, maraming mga prizes sila na nakapila. So, if you invite your friend, it will help you move up on the wait list dito. Ako kasi nasa 102 ako kasi wala pa akong referral. Pero kung may mga referrals kayo, pwede kayong ma-move up sa line. Ayun, so I will also post the link here dyan sa description box or sa comment. Sa pinned comment, ipopost ko po yung link para makasali kayo sa waitlist. Ayun guys, so you only have Twitter account and then active email. And then, once na nag-join kayo, you can also join sa channels nila like sa Telegram. Ayan, sa Telegram pwede kayong mag-join para pag may mga announcements sila or may mga updates or may additional na tasks, pwede nyo pong gawin agad. So if you are watching this video right now, make sure to do the waitlist. Madali lang naman siya guys eh. It will not take you so much time kasi ang gagawin nyo lang is enter lang yung um, name nyo at email address and then verify your email address. Yun lang. Ayun guys, so if you want more airdrop like this and step-by-step tutorial on how to do the airdrops, you can subscribe to this channel down below. And thank you for watching. Bye bye.